Stop downloading cracked apps. They are not free tools. They are traps. Malware disguised as shortcuts. And your Android already has something more powerful sitting right there, untouched. It is called Termux, a real Linux terminal on your phone. No root required. No sketchy APK. Just install from f-droid, and you are in. Here are 5 things Termux can do that cracked apps never could. Legally, ethically, and completely free.
Run Python. Type pkg, install Python, and you have a full Python environment on your phone. Build scripts, run code, learn to program. Firm.
No cracked IDE needed. 2. Host a local file server. One Python command turns your phone into a portable HTTP server. Share files across your own network instantly. 3. SSH into your own machine. Connect securely to your own remote server or home PC using the built-in SSH client. Owner authorized. Encrypted. Clean. 4. Use Git version control. Clone your own repositories. Commit changes. Push code. Full developer workflow from your pocket. 5. Automate with bash scripts. Write a simple script to back up files, send reminders, or clean folders. Your phone becomes a silent assistant. 5 real powers.
0 cracked apps. 0 malware risk. 1 rule before you start. Get Termux from f-droid only. Run pkg update first. And only use these tools on devices and accounts you own. The terminal is not a hacking shortcut. It is a skill. And real skills are built, not downloaded. Which of these 5 will you try first? Drop the number in the comments.